Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're unboxing the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, and it's nothing short of amazing. Let's dive right in. Here's the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, a futuristic beauty. Look at that sleek design and mesmerizing color gradient. Inside, USB-C cable, charger. The Mate 60 Pro's display is stunning, with a high refresh rate, and it's powered by Huawei's latest processor Kirin 9000S chipset for lightning-fast performance. The versatile 50MP main camera, 48MP, periscope telephoto, 3.5x optical zoom and a 12MP ultra-wide camera setup ensures incredible photos and videos in any situation. IMU smooth and packed with AI features, enhancing your experience. Unique biometrics, 5G ready, and exceptional 5000 mAh, which supports 88-watt wired, 50-watt wireless, 20-watt reverse wireless fast charging make this phone stand out. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro is a peek into the future of smartphones, with its stunning design, power, and innovation. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for our in-depth review. Subscribe for more tech updates, and if you have questions or requests, leave a comment. Stay curious, tech lovers.